Hello Junior 1. Today we are going to have a new lesson which is telling the time. We are going to know how to read the clock. The first one we have here is the analog clock. The analog clock is like the one that we have in our homes. This clock has two hands, one short hand and one long hand. The short hand usually looks for the hours and the long hand is looking for the minutes. When it's at the long hand, it's looking to number 12. This means that the time is o'clock, which means the time is sharp. So in this one here, the hours hand, which is the short hand, is looking at number 10, and the long hand, the minutes hand, is looking at number 12. This means that the time is 10 o'clock. And we have to know as well that the day consists of 24 hours. And each hour and 1 hour consists of 60 minutes. I have to know this. So how would I differentiate between the time and say if it's at the morning or at the night? When it's the morning, we say this time is AM. And when it's afternoon, we say it's PM. Let's get started here with some examples to know more. Yes. This is here our friend, let's call him Yusuf. Yusuf wakes up at 6 o'clock. How would I know? Because number 6 is the short hand is looking for number 6 and the long hand is for number 12. Next, he rides the bus. At what time? Yes, the short hand is looking at number 7 and the long hand at number 12. This means that the time is 7 o'clock. He went to school. Here, he arrived to school and started to have his lessons. At what time? Yes, the short hand is looking at number 9 and the long hand at number 12. So this means that the time is 9 o'clock. He went back home and started doing his homework. That was at time. Yes, the short hand is looking at number 5 and long hand at number 12. This means that it's 5 o'clock. Then he took his dinner. At what time? Yes, I will check here. The short hand is looking at number 7 and the long hand at number 12. So this means that this is 7 o'clock. And finally, he went to bed. And that was by time at 10 o'clock because the short hand is looking at number 10 and the long hand at number 12. If we wanted to differentiate here between the time which is AM and PM, we can say that in the morning he wakes up. So this 6 o'clock is 6 o'clock AM. And when he goes to bed, this is at night. So of course this is 10 o'clock PM. Next one here, I need to write the time. So I will check for the long hand and short hand and then I will write the time. What's the time here? Yes, this is 4 o'clock. Next one, yes, the short hand is looking at number 11. So this is 11 o'clock. Next one here, yes, the short hand is looking at number 8. So this one is 8 o'clock. And then this one, 7. Yes, so this is 7 o'clock. Next one, the short hand is looking at number 3. So this is 3 o'clock. And this one here, the short hand is looking at number 5. So this is 5 o'clock. And this one here, this is the short hand is looking at number 6. So this is 6 o'clock. this one, the shorthand's looking for number 10, so this is 10 o'clock. And this one here, the shorthand's looking at number 1, so this is 1 o'clock. And that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching, and please study well.